You know, there is so much information available from so many sources right now. How do we distinguish facts from fiction, trustworthy news from so-called fake news? Well, as part of Scripps' partnership with the National News Literacy Project, our company's television stations are helping the next generation learn to track down and accurately report news. We partner with aspiring journalist Garcia from Daniel Webster High School. She chose to report on how mental health issues affect high school students and where they can get help. Here's her story.
Big impacts take a toll when it comes to mental health.
Mental health is so important, especially to our youth today, and a lot of kids don't know how to handle, stress management and mental health management. And even if, it's taught, okay, you need to manage mental health, you have to. They're not explaining how to do it. If you talk to someone and they know what you're going through and they've been through that, they can sometimes help you.
So what is the big issue with mental health?
The reason it's such a big issue is because we have kids that will cut off all social, anything social. They won't join anything. They'll want to stay cooped up and be by themselves all the time. And that's something that'll make you even worse if you have mental health issues.
Not only do students see the stress among each other, but teachers, they see the issues as well.
The things that I see within the kids were the same things that we all as adults kind of still deal with, but some of us dealt with them while we were younger. Their mental health could be more than just, I'm having a bad day. If they don't address it now, it's going to bother them in the future. But they can't take it on by themselves. You cannot take things, they're human too, they need help.
When a student expresses their feelings to a teacher, relationships can become closer.
I feel very privileged that they feel comfortable enough to come and openly talk to me about that. And that's something that I think helps build a relationship.
As a teacher, taking action can go a long way when they see a student in need.
I see their eyes light up, and what I love hearing is just a simple thank you.
After speaking to a student and a teacher, I turned to a professional to see his opinions on mental health weighing on students.
Stress management, the ability to control your emotions and your behaviors toward others. We have to start talking about these concepts at an early age in life. We can't play catch up in 9th grade and all of a sudden, you're thrust into an environment with 22 other kids or more where you have one adult, 22 kids, and you're expected to learn literacy skills, science skills, math, all that stuff, along with learning social skills.
Even though most students are not taught how to deal with their emotional issues from a young age, students can reach out to many resources around Tulsa.
And there are supports out there, 24/7 services. COPES is one of those at Family and Children Services that if a person is having some sort of mental health issue, contemplating suicide, they will actually go 24/7, 365 with a mental health team and provide immediate tertiary services or counseling services.
Wherever mental health leads you, there's always help out there. Reporting to you from TWH-TV, this is Ali Garcia.
Thank you, Ali. Now, this news literacy project will play out all week long in schools across the country. Our journalists are working with students to help create a news literate generation that can spot misinformation and then help prevent others from spreading it.